everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Type-C earphones not working on iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, audio and adapter. Fix 1. Reconnect the Type-C earphones. Unplug the earphones from your iPhone and check the USB-C connector for dust or dirt. Then plug the earphones back in firmly and test the audio again. Fix 2. Clean the iPhone USB-C port. Turn off your iPhone and use a soft brush or compressed air to remove debris from the USB-C port. Then reconnect the earphones and check if sound is working. Fix 3. Check the audio output device. Connect your Type-C earphones and open Control Center. Now tap the AirPlay/audio output icon and select your wired earphones as the audio output device. Fix 4. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and a volume button. Then drag the power slider to turn off the iPhone and wait for 30 seconds. Now turn the iPhone back on and test the earphones. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.